Hey guys, we're gonna be playing Minecraft, and every time I take damage, I'm gonna get pegged in the butthole. What just happened? Alright, we're gonna go hardcore, because make it more of a challenge. So I rarely ever try hardcore because, first of all, I suck. And I don't like having the stress so much. But this is a one and done video, so yeah, I mean, I feel like it would be fine. Alright, we can make a pickaxe. We could dig down here. My main goal is to get diamonds. Basically it. Just get diamonds. And, I mean, there's coal right there. Let's get enough to make a furnace and some tools. I do not want the village, I want the diamond! You know what? If I'm careful, I don't have to get diddled in the butthole. Get some more food. There's like hellish sheep. Look, the whole ecosystem is here. Except the cocks. I don't know where the chickens are. The cocks! Oh! That's my first time seeing the baby update. Look at that. I'm turning you into an orphan, bitch! I mean, I'd rather not, to be honest. Man, what the... Stop, stop, stop! Haha. Wait, I can make... Oh. Ooh. Close call. Okay. Any iron? Oh my... Ooh! Stop it. Oh! No! Wait,
Come here. Yeah.
Oh! Oh! No, please.
Do you think I'm playing? Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, that's it. We're done. Fuck this.